If you're going to work in a body shop and make money, you have to be fast. You can't be messing around with a dent all day long, sanding on the Bondo. So today I thought I'd make a video on how to sand Bondo fast. And here's how to do it. So the fastest tool I have in my toolbox is this cheese grater for Bondo. So what you want to do is just first of all get it close with this cheese grater. So we're just going to take that and come across here real slow. You can see the Bondo just coming up. So we're just going to gently go across here. And these were some low spots that I had that I filled. So we're just going to take this. It's a little bit soft right now, so I'm just taking it real easy. You want to be able to dig your fingernail into it, but you don't want it so soft that it fills the cheese grater thing. So I'm just going gently across here, taking off the excess. And I go in different directions. I had 3 low spots, one here, and one here. And I'm going to get it so close with this cheese grater that when I use this hog, I'm not messing around with this. It's just going to, I could hold my breath and not breathe in any dust, and it would be done before I needed a breath. That's how fast this hog is. You can see the low spot going away right there. Now imagine how much Bondo dust you'd breathe if you were sanding this with regular sandpaper, 80 grit or something like that. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to let it harden a little bit, and then I'm going to hit it with this hog here. And like I said, it's only going to take, under a minute to finish that. Maybe 15-20 seconds to go over that with the hog. I'll be right back when this hardens up a little bit. Okay, I'm back. We're just going to hit it with this Bondo hog real quick with 40 grit on it, and we'll be done. And now, just real quick, I'm going to go over it with a long board just to make sure it's perfectly straight. And that's it. aside from a little, there's a pit right there, and maybe a little bit right there, but that's done. That's how you sand Bondo fast.